Okay. I don't have moisturizer in my bag here because I left it in the car. So it feels weird. I think I'm gonna put some of this lotion right here. This Beekman. It's like came with a hotel. So it's gonna feel weird. Hopefully it doesn't like trigger pimple. I just don't want it to be like dry. But I'm not gonna put any foundation or anything like that. I can never like do my feels weird. I'm not used to having any moisturizer on my face. And my face actually requires a lot of moisturizing. That's why I use Vaseline. I have one in my car and I have one in my bag. But both of them are in the car right now. So that's not useful. So this is the view of the room when you walk in. To the left here, you'll have some coffee maker, some Keurig here. And then this is my leftover from my dinner last night. I wanted to bring them in because I couldn't finish them. And then here you have some little closet there and flat iron. And there's this light right here that I don't know how to turn on also. And then there's save some snacks. Obviously, if you use those snacks, you get charged. And then in the fridge, not a lot of refrigerator that I stay at actually have drinks like this within the United States anyways, but I think this is like considered a resort or something. So you've got all kinds. So you've got some water here, Sprite, Coke, there's champagne and wine, and what is this? White wine, and then red wine, and then champagne. It won't come out, so. And then you've got some snacks here also, and then what is this? Ooh, maybe they'll charge me for that. No, actually that is like a bottle opener, so maybe when you take it out they'll charge you. Then some Crown Royal, some drinks, some liquor here, some vodka, and some other drinks that side. So yeah, I can tell you how many times I've stayed at some of the hotels here in the US. They don't even have a bottled water. So then, actually here, it's got a little mini living room here. There's a big TV. I think that's like size 52, maybe 56. That's big. So there's a light over there that I can never figure out how to turn on. But this is like, these lights are controlled by the iPad or the button right here, because there's a thing right here where it says lights on, lights off, and then lights on right there. So there's a one button for arrival. Let me just see this. What does it do when you do arrival? It just turns the same lights on. So there's the living room right there. And then over here we're gonna go to this bedroom, massive beds. It's just like, it's really nice. It's like carefully picked out. And see on the other side too. It's got some nice painting. And then this drapes right there. But I like that you can do on drapes right here. You can see the drapes. And you can do all close. So then it closes right there. I'm sure this can also be controlled by voice, but I didn't have time to figure that out, and I don't know how to use that. So now we'll open again right here because it's super dark here. There you have it. Yeah. And then this is the bathroom. Actually, there's this mirror right here that I like. Here you go. It's right there. It looks like a door. This is actually a door to the bathroom right there. So there's a door, but when you open it, of course, there's the bathroom. When you walk in here, of course I wrecked it already. There's this makeup area right here. There's a little chair, and then there's the makeup area where you can do makeup, where I did my makeup. So this is the sink. This is like not touch controlled or anything like that. You actually have to use normal conventional way, but the towels were right there. I just used them. There's what do you call this, hair dryer. I'm not sure what's here. I wish my cabinet could stay like this back home, right? I don't know what this is. Classic. Wow, styler curler, huh? Let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, it's like flat straightener slash curler. So this bathroom is also smart right here. I'm not gonna open it because I don't want to get wet. It's, you see how that is right here. That is like shower from two sides and then shower from one side, and then you can use that one right there for the next button down to the left, and then you can use this for the last one. There's a steamiest. This is also like, this is not only like a shower, but it's also like sauna, because you can do like controls over there. You can put it like the temperature. You can do the steam number 1 or steam number 2 right there. So there you have it. And then over here is the jacuzzi or jetted tub, but it's really nice. So it's just one push of a button right here, or you can use it as a tub, or you can use it as a oh, it's dirty. You can use it as like a jetted tub right there. It's really nice. I used it last night actually. The lights change, or you can do this also if you want to. And the toilet that I can never figure out how to use, there's this rear soft on and off. Like if you press it, it does things. Like I think that it like cleans your bum. I'm not gonna want to try that, so turn it off. Or you can clean the front, wide on and off. I'm not sure what that does also, and it will dry. So there's user 1 and user 2. And if you want, and if you're one of those people that stay on the toilet for a long time, there's Bluetooth where you can do auxiliary right there. So you can have your entertainment while you're here. We're gonna close it. There's a button. I used the old version, which is easy, much easier. So there you have it, guys. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you. This is my view last night. There was a lot of people. That's the pool right there, and also like it looks like hot tub on one side, maybe I would say. But that's the pool. There were people there last night. So anyways, I am ready to go home right now. Actually, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet after this, but I'm done. It's about, what time is it? 10:52 right now. So checkout is 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna go check out and maybe drive around. Maybe I'll go to the falls, Niagara Falls. It's not too far from here. But I love this place that I'm staying at. It's very nice, and it's they have a valet, and they have a restaurant downstairs. They have really good food. They don't have like a lot of selections of food, but they're really good. So there you have it, guys. That's the place. This is the place that I stayed in last night.